Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Pro and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Now we can see here the ringer notification volume panel. We can just mute our device ringtone just by hold and swipe to the left side with the SY dot with our finger. Also we can make it by this just the second way. Just first be sure that in default volume button control you have selected ringtone to change ringtone volume with the volume buttons, and after that let's go back here to the sound settings, and now by press down volume button we can see that we can also mute our device ringtone, and we can make it by the third way. Just press up or down volume button and after that slide to the up with your finger this white dot on this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.